Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday digital tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account, a must-know skill for 2022 through 2025. Whether you're a PayPal pro or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring funds in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section, usually found on the top menu. Here, you'll see your available balance. That's your starting point. Next, look for the Withdraw Funds or Transfer to Bank option. It might be under a drop-down menu or a dedicated button. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, don't worry. Click on Link a Bank and follow the prompts to add your bank's details. This usually involves verifying your account with a small test deposit. Now, select the bank account you want to transfer money to from the list. Enter the amount you'd like to withdraw, and double-check for any transfer fees that might apply. They can vary based on your location and bank. Hit Confirm or Transfer to proceed. After that, PayPal will process your request. Most transfers take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your bank account, so keep an eye on your statements. Remember, processing times can depend on your bank's policies. A quick tip: always ensure you have enough funds in your PayPal balance to cover the transfer, and check for any limits on daily or monthly withdrawals. This process is secure, but if you run into issues, PayPal's Help Center is a great resource. There you have it, simple, straightforward, and stress-free. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.